Is Manu. Quiet. Good. Good. Other foot. All right. Good girl. Don't fall off the box. Get back up there. Get back up there. Have a seat. Stay. Now to demonstrate the workaway, I need some more help. This time, I need a brave young gentleman that would like to come down. How about right there in the navy blue with the red pass on? Yeah, you in the front row. Come on down here, buddy. Use the stairs right over here. Hi. What's your name? Rufus. Rufus, come on over here, Rufus. Have a seat in this chair. You'll be playing the part of our actor. All right, Nanu, come on over. Come on, have a seat. Now I'll place Nanu's mark right there in front of her so she knows where she's working from. And I'll place one of her favorite treats in front of Rufus so she knows where to focus. I'll then step behind her and she'll respond to only my verbal cues. That's why we call this the workaway. Quiet. She's been getting into a really bad habit of barking, so I'm going to run her through a couple of behaviors and remind her that we are doing a show. On your feet. You don't get to argue with me. On your feet, stay. Back up. Sit. Good. Lie down. Side. Quiet. Straighten up. Stay. Side. Side. Stay. On your feet. Stay. Sit. Good. Now we're going to try this again. Get it all out. On your feet. Stay. Quiet. Watch it. Good. Lie down. Stay. Side. Quiet. Straighten up. Stay. Mark. Quiet. On your feet. Lie down. Stay. Crawl. Stay. On your feet. Stay. On your feet. Stay. Lie down. Stay. Sit. Stay. Good. Sit. Sit. Stay. Nice try. All right, you can have it. Everybody back there in the workaway. Come on. Rufus, stand up. I'll move your chair right over here. Come on over and have a seat one more time. Now, not only your dog's man's best friend, but some of them have genuine psychic abilities. You'll help me prove this with the help of our next animal star from the movie, The Backup Plan. This is Dusty. Hi there, buddy. Now, Rufus, what I need you to do is to think of 2 items of clothing. They can be anything that you can wear. A hat, shirt, shoes, socks, anything. Dusty is going to psychically pick up on your thoughts, race backstage, and bring back exactly what you're thinking of. Don't say them out loud, just have them in your head. Nod your head when you have them in your mind. You have them? All right, Dusty. Go on back there. Now we'll give them a second to dig through that pile of clothes, so make sure that you're concentrating on that first item of clothing and that first item only. And it looks like he brought you a hat. Were you thinking of a hat? You were? Okay. Not a hat? What a cute kid. All right, Dusty, go on back there. Bring back what Rufus is really thinking of. You know 50% for a dog isn't too bad. Make sure you're really focused on that second article of clothing. And Rufus, you were thinking of this? I am very sorry about that. What are you trying to do to me, buddy? This is a family show. Rufus, stand up. Give a big wave to all your Hollywood fans. Give him a big wave. Rufus, big wave. Rufus, sit. Good boy, you're well trained. There's your treat. I'm just kidding, you don't want that. But you are doing such a great job. I'll keep you around for one more segment, so come with me. On the movie set, animals encounter all different kinds of obstacles, and it's our job as animal trainers to help them overcome them. To show you how we do this, we'll have a little friendly competition. So let's welcome out our competitors. They are Logan and Tyson. Now before we get started, we'll need some cheering sections. So this half of the arena, you'll be cheering for the black and white dog. That is Logan. You may recognize him from the movie Valentine's Day. And this side of the arena, you'll be cheering for the brown and white dog. That is Tyson. He was in the movie Beverly Hills Chihuahua. Whenever your dog is running through the course, you want to make as much noise as you can. So let's do a practice cheer for Team Logan! Woo! Not too bad, but let's see if you guys can do any better. Let's hear it for Team Tyson! Sounding good. One by one, our dogs will jump over our human hurdle, negotiate these poles, race through the tunnel, jump back over our hurdle, and ring the bell for the final time. The dog with the fastest time will be our winner, and it looks like Team Logan is up first. On your mark, get set, go, Logan! Over the hurdle. I think we're going to start him over. He did half of the obstacle course, right? On your mark, get set, go, Logan! Through all the poles into the tunnel. And he's ringing the bell for a final time. 6.50 seconds. That is a great time, Team Logan. I don't know, Team Tyson. Do you guys think you can beat that? Let's find out. On your mark, get set, go! Sorry, we need to start it all over. Buddy. Yeah, I had a little accident, honey. Don't worry, the sun looks like it might be coming out. It should dry in no time. It looks like Team Tyson has been disqualified. Team Logan's our winner. Come on over here, buddy. I have a little present for you. Here's a coupon. You can use this for a free carnival game. And how about a hand for our human fire hydrant? Here, buddy.